Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and link a Facebook page to Messenger. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is simply going to go ahead first access a particular Facebook app. Once you have done so, you can see this kind of interface, right? And here you will find your accounts info and at the your pages as well. You go back and you access now your Messenger. Here also you see the existing account that you have in your Facebook. You have access of that here in Messenger as well. If you tap on this three horizontal on top left corner and go to the settings icon, now you can find accounts. If you tap on the switch accounts, you can find all of the pages account there. So first thing, you can simply tap on them and change here in only Messenger, but your Facebook account will still be there in the Facebook logged in with the other account. Other thing, if you do not have yet connected, go to Facebook, simply switch to your page, and afterwards if you tap on this Messenger icon of yours, it will ask you this kind of notification like, do you want to continue with your page? You tap on continue. You have been able to connect. Tap on it's got it, and now you have been able to connect your Facebook page with the Messenger like that. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.